had to come sit down because my finger is really starting to throb. And there's a lot of dust going on up there, so I want to keep this as clean as possible, especially with all the bird shit that's up there. I'm definitely gonna have to do some major cleanup on my arms and shit when I get back in the house. But once this is done, it's done, and the combine is completely winterized and cleaned out, so that'll be good. But yikes, it's not happy. Well, I'm currently sitting outside right now, just resting. Got some ice on my finger. I've been using a sling every so often so that I can keep the finger like above my heart. That's what the paperwork said to do, so that like it helps with drainage and inflammation and whatever. So I'm just sitting up here. Dustin and Dad are down getting prepped to grind feed for the winter for the steers so they can get fattened up and be nice and beefy for when we butcher in January.